I want to share with you 3 ways to use your book as a launch pad. You don't have to do any of these. You don't have to do all of these, but I think it's helpful to see opportunities that are there. So the first one is you can use your book to launch a community. So whether that be a paid or free community, you can create a space where readers who resonate with the book can connect with each other and you. Your book is actionable, at least it should be in some ways, and a community creates a space for people to take the actions you recommend and get help and support from others that are doing the same thing. So it takes this static thing and turns it into sort of a living, breathing thing that can attract people. The second way to use your book as a launch pad is you can use it to launch an event. And you have an opportunity to literally bring your book to life. And this event could be virtual, it could be a real life event, but what it does is it creates a way to turn a book into a movement. It doesn't have to just happen once, although it could, and it doesn't and shouldn't just be about you. But the idea is to brainstorm what were to happen if you created an event around the concept of the book, bring all the people who influenced your work or you've worked with together, who are referenced in the book or have stories to tell that relate to it, and create a unique and potentially profitable extension of your book. And even if you did it for free, even if the smallest version is a free virtual event, but that becomes great promotion for the book as well. And you record it and you have a million things that you can share with other people. So using the book to launch an event is the second way you can use it as a launch pad. The third way to use your book as a launch pad is to use it to launch a podcast. Whatever expertise you shared in your book isn't static. It's current as of the moment and as of your experiences up to this point, but it will evolve. Your take on it will evolve. The people who are implementing your teachings will evolve as a result of reading your book. And a podcast gives you an opportunity to extend the life cycle of the book and give people who found it helpful a place to go next. Basically, it's a way to turn a one off reader into an ongoing relationship. And as I'm sure you know, that unlocks all sorts of opportunities for your business down the road.